Hi guys, this is just a short video on some reminders about the Messenger or the Simple Gift novel response oral. By now you should have received your draft feedback, which you can find on DayMap tasks. So now once you've received that feedback, you would be looking to record your oral. The first thing that I want to point out is the following, that once again, the final is due at the end of week 1, term 2, Friday at the start of the lesson, as we plan to begin our persuasive analysis and the next task in that lesson. So please make sure that you have properly formatted your transcript, which, as a reminder, you need to make sure you have the following of the correct header and footer, which has stage 2 English responding to text number 3 with your SACE ID. You then want to place the question in the assignment task sheet that relates to your response in bold in Arial size 12 font. So you'll need to go to the task sheet to make sure that you copy and paste and format the correct response. Remembering that everything should be in size 12 Arial with a 1.5 spacing that's aligned to the left and clearly looks like a properly formatted transcript, which also has the page numbers in the bottom right hand corner and of course word count at the end. You need to remember that a moderator will more or less read your transcript in some instances, so it needs to be properly formatted and correctly formatted for that very reason. So you'll need to save this document, remembering that you'll also need to head to the topic information and use the correct online file submission, which in this instance is your SACE number, the subject code AT1, but then task 3, responding to text novel study. So please make sure you do that. As an oral presentation, it is now your job to, record your oral in a way in which that is properly formatted and able to be read and viewed by a moderator. For this, whether it be the Simple Gift or the Messenger, you will find an example of how you might do this using some visual assistance as well, which can actually help further support your analysis so long as it is done properly, where you would use a PowerPoint for an introduction slide and each of your themes, or as many as you wish that you would transition and film, where you might state the theme, technique, and provide the quotes. You could then go ahead and insert and record your audio using the record audio, where you record that paragraph and stop, making sure though that it still fits in within the 6-minute time frame. You might alternatively like to build the PowerPoint, then use Screencast-O-Matic, the free version, which is fine, as that has a limit of up to 15 minutes to do the exact same thing, whereby you progress and are able to edit so it fits within the time frame. If you choose not to use a visual presentation, you are to then use something as simple and free as Audacity, which we have linked here as to how to download, but also a tutorial on how to use it to simply edit your voice recording, which can be an advantage that if you wish to record each paragraph at a time, pause, or if you make a mistake, it's easy to edit out the incorrect delivery. There's also step-by-step instructions by Miss Riley, which also remind you on how to do this. You can still use your voice recorder on your phone or any means possible, but you must remember that it is your responsibility to make sure that you're in a appropriate area to record, so there's not any distractions in the background, that it's also in the correct time and is delivered with a correct pace and tone. Remember that I need to and Mazil need to receive the file in one file, so if you record it in multiple files, you should then use a converter to join them together. That way we can receive both the transcript and audio recording or video recording. Now, in the event that the audio recording, because of its simple size, does not fit onto DayMap submissions, you have been reminded of the video that is here in the Messenger about how to upload audio or multimodal documents via OneDrive, which is also in the Simple Gift, which is also in the topic information, which I have gone ahead and created, which goes through how you can share this video or audio file with me using your school OneDrive. Okay, so please watch that.
Hi there, this is a tutorial on how to upload.
And I go through the process. Okay. Feel free to continue to DayMap message me where possible throughout the holidays in response to any questions or queries. But what I'm hoping to show is that you now know how to record your audio and be ready to upload it by the first week back in term 2 as you study from home, as we'll be moving on to our persuasive. We'll then move on to our descriptive writing and writer statement, all at the same time of helping to work through and decide upon your external comparisons for you to be ready in term 3. Thank you.